Good afternoon, everybody. It's the 6th of November, 2010, and a fairly quiet day out there in the Western Pacific. A few areas of rain showers and an area of low pressure extending from Taiwan and south of Honshu here, but overall high pressure dominating much of the region here. We do have a Cyclone 05B or Jal out in the Indian Ocean. We'll get to that there in a minute, but right now, looking around the Western Pacific, though, high pressure still continues to dominate much of the Korean and Japan throughout here. Also, we have the stationary front really extending throughout here, and an invest right in this region, just south of Taiwan and northeast Luzon, 91 Whiskey or 91W here. Now, this area is really getting sheared off right now. And actually, you can see it on this chart right here, about 30 to 40 knots of shear on the northern periphery of this area right in here. So I'm not expecting any development out of it. But it is bringing rain showers throughout much of northeast Luzon here and the Ryukyu Island, seeing some rain showers out of this system as well. But overall, as you can see on the surface analysis here, high pressure really dominating much of Korea and Japan. We do have this area of low pressure farther down here south, but the big thing is that you have the Westpac high farther out to the east here, and you also have this Siberian eye kind of ridging in here from China. So you have that area of basically low pressure in between both of those, which is this area right through here. And as you look down here, see some of this overcast sky symbols throughout here, and some rain showers actually in this entire region as well. So just another thing to know. Really, that's the only weather you're really seeing out here. In the Philippines, still seeing some afternoon rain showers and non-such associated with the tropical waves here. And also, you're still getting some of rain showers off of 91W here up in northern Luzon. But looking out farther to the west here, you do see this really deep low out here, about 990 millibars, and deepening as it moves towards Sri Lanka and the Indian coast over here. And actually, that is being warned on right now. Let's go over to the GTWC warning here. This is Tropical Cyclone 05B or Jal is moving out to the west-northwest, about 4 knots right now. India is warning on this system right now. The system looks like it's going right near Chennai or Madras, right in this region. The landfall, expecting winds right around 80, gusting up to about 100 knots. So very intense system. And if this system does make landfall just south of Chennai here, you could see some very strong storm surge on the right front quadrant in the city in there. So just definitely something to note. But right now, good news though is that it looks like Sri Lanka is going to be missing this island just to the north of there, so not really have to worry about down there and there, especially Colombo. Don't have to worry about down in that city as far as this system goes. You might get some outer rain bands down in this region, but definitely the center of the system is not going to extend down that far. A very tight system actually. The wind field doesn't extend out very far, so you really have to be right near the center of this system to actually see those typhoon strength winds, and you really can kind of see that on this water vapor imagery in here, showing the highest content of water in this area in here. So definitely still going to see some rain showers here in Sri Lanka as this starts to move off to the west here. You still have a high water content extending far down to the island here, and actually looks like some rain showers already being reported on the island area, and still have some rain bands over much of India as well. But really the center of the system only extends out a few hundred nautical miles where the heaviest rainfall is and the highest winds are. And here is the official warning from the India Meteorological Department. Looking at landfall and the morning of the 8th near Chennai as well. System is going to gradually move off to the west-northwest and then basically due west after that. So just another thing to note, if you are here in this entire region, I would watch this very closely. On this webpage, I have the bulletin issued here as well. The bulletin posted that has been issued. So just make sure you check in on that because that continually is updated by the India Meteorological Department. So if you want more information on that storm, make sure you check the front page of westernpacificweather.com, and also that there's a link to the Indian Meteorological Department if you want to get some continual updates from them. But overall though, in much of the Westpac though, from Taiwan over to the Ryukyu Islands, seeing those rain showers, high pressure dominating the rest of the region though. Much cooler temperatures throughout this entire area here. Is even seeing temperatures in the single digits throughout much of Korea here. That's Celsius, so just nothing to note. That's not that cold up there, but if it's in Fahrenheit. But otherwise though, pretty fair weather all around. So I hope everybody has a great day out there. If you have any questions, please field them to me at westernpacificweather.com. You can email me there. Also find me at storm2k.org, planning meteorological discussion there as well. So stay safe out there, everybody. I'll likely have another update tomorrow. Bye.